Natural ways to cleanse your lungs. Hi guys, welcome to Healthy Bodies. In today's video we're going to look at some natural ways to cleanse your lungs. Maintaining healthy lungs is vital for a person's overall well-being. Now the good news is lungs are self-cleaning organs, so they can start to begin to heal themselves naturally. So once their exposure to pollutants stops, for example when someone quits smoking, the lungs can start to heal. However, after the lungs have had exposure to pollution such as cigarette smoke or dust, a person's chest can feel full, congested or even inflamed. Mucus gathers in the lungs and this catches microbes and pathogens, which contributes to this feeling of heaviness. Fortunately, there are several natural ways to help cleanse the lungs. Steam therapy. Steam therapy, so inhaling steam, has long been used for colds and blocked up noses and can also help to open the airways, allowing the lungs to drain mucus. People with lung conditions often notice their symptoms get worse in cold or dry air, and this is because the mucous membranes dry out in the airways and restrict blood flow. Steam adds warmth and moisture to the air, which can improve breathing and loosen mucus inside the airways and lungs. Inhaling steam is frequently used by many people and can provide immediate relief and help people breathe more easily. Green tea. Green tea contains many powerful antioxidants that can help reduce inflammation in the lungs. And these compounds help protect lung tissue from the harmful effects of things such as smoke inhalation and dust. Anti-inflammatory foods. When your airways are inflamed, breathing can be more difficult and cause the chest to feel heavy and congested. And there are many foods which have anti-inflammatory properties, which can reduce inflammation and help relieve these symptoms. Foods such as turmeric, leafy greens, olive oil, cherries, walnuts, and blueberries. Controlled coughing. Controlled coughing can help loosen mucus, and coughing is the body's way of naturally expelling toxins that it's trapped in mucus. So try sitting on a chair with both feet flat on the floor. Fold the arms over the stomach and slowly inhale through the nose. Then slowly exhale while leaning forward and cough 2 or 3 times, and repeat as necessary. Exercise. Exercise forces muscles to work harder, which increases the body's breathing rate, resulting in a greater supply of oxygen to the muscles. And this then improves circulation, making the body more efficient in removing excess carbon dioxide that the body produces when exercising. And the body will start to adapt to meet the demands of regular exercise. The muscles will learn to use oxygen more efficiently and produce less carbon dioxide. And this all helps to improve lung function. Now obviously, if you have a chronic lung disease, it's important to speak with your doctor before starting an exercise program to find the routine that's right for you. Chest percussion. Percussion is another effective way to remove excess mucus from the lungs. Use a cupped hand and rhythmically tap the chest wall to dislodge trapped mucus in the lungs. And combining chest percussion and controlled coughing can help clear the airways of excess mucus. Now, as mentioned before, mucus in the lungs plays an important role in trapping toxins, and good respiratory health depends on whether or not the body effectively removes mucus from the lungs and airways. And regularly exercising, drinking green tea, eating anti-inflammatory foods are lifestyle changes that can really help improve lung health. So, we hope you found this information useful. Until next time, goodbye.